With 2 hungry teenagers in the house, Barry Parsons goes through a lot of food. He's a food blogger in St. John's. He keeps a close eye on receipts, and he says the prices keep going up. He's paying 20% more than a year ago, but some things are even more expensive.
Beef, even at the lower end, is getting just absolutely ridiculous. I saw one regularly advertised price for $10 a pound for stewing beef. I mean, I thought that was supposed to be the scrap end, you know?
Now he's planning ahead. 2 roast chickens from this dinner are turned into 3 other meals. By making curry chicken, chicken pasta, and a tomato chicken soup, he has 4 meals for 4 people for less than $50.
If you can feed a family of 4 for $11 a meal for half the week, you may be able to afford that dinner out on Friday.
This time of the year, a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables are imported from the United States. A drought in California is hurting crops, and as the loonie falls, prices rise. When it comes to beef, you can blame a drought last summer in the West for shrinking cattle herds and higher prices. Grocery shoppers in Winnipeg are noticing the change.
I'm going, oh, I came out with very little fresh fruit and was looking more in the frozen areas, and even that's gone up a lot.
We keep thinking that we're saving on gas, so that's going into the food budget.
There are simple ways to save money. This dietitian says low-cost beans and lentils can be swapped out for expensive meat. Then you can ignore that $7 fresh cauliflower, buy frozen. It's just as healthy, or buy food that's local and in season.
Stick to staples like potatoes and carrots, things like butternut squash or other forms of squash, root vegetables. These can go a really, really long way.
A study by the University of Guelph says prices will continue to rise in 2016. It's warning families will pay an extra $345 this year to fill the fridge. Peter Cowan, CBC News, St. John's.